Hi everyone, it's Artist from Man Carpentry. Just show you the catch up video quickly. So we all insulated here. We have used Celtex on this outer part, which you don't need to do, but we just use it because we had some spare left, so we just thought, you know, we utilize it, saving aggro for getting rid of it. So this floor being insulated with 150 fiberglass. So today I will show you how I'm gonna drop the ceiling, because of the, you know, several levels we got here. Height, as you can see, that is higher than that, and we got steels in the middle and all sorts. So what I'll use a metal track to perimeter track to do a perimeter. I've started it yesterday, as you can see, and I'll show you how I do a suspended ceiling basically. Then we got a C-stud, and then we got to have some brackets. Where are they? And these are the brackets we can use, so I'll show you how I do it. Obviously there's a lot of ways of doing it, but you know, this is the way I do. So I'll just show you upstairs. So we finished understairs cupboard. It's all boarded, it's done. Well, we have nearly finished Celtex. This is the last bit left. Say hello, Dan.
Hello.
So this room is done. And that's how it should look. And then you need to put vapor barrier before you board it. What I do, I'll show you. I put track on. Use a bit of packer, mastic, stick it on the back of the track, and that is so I can get over the straps. So like so, when you screw it, you got a gap, and that is for the straps. As you can see, we've got straps going on.